Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be talking about how you can become a freelance proofreader. Proofreading is another lucrative online career. Most agencies will pay around about 25% of the price for a translated document to a proofreader. Advises international living. Agencies charge about $75 for the translation of a 5-page standard business document. So proofing the same document, which takes about an hour, pays out about $18 to $20. You can work full-time, part-time, or around the clock. Media media bistro is a website that offers resources to the resources for media professionals. Have tips on how to become a proofreader. And another topic we will be talking about a lot of topics, and let's see how the topics will work out. And another topic is how you can type for cash. And if you are a fast typer, transcribing is simple. Listen to an audio file through headphones and type it out. As a transcriber, you pay in directly related to how fast you type. Advises international living. The transcription jobs are paid by the audio hour, the length of the audio file, rather than by the hour work. The time spent on the transcript is influenced by the audio quality, background noise, the accent of the speaker, and the speed at which people speak. The average transcriber types between 75 to 100 words per minute. Uh, will complete one audio hour in 4 hours work. Consider the company rep.com, and which hires freelance transcribers. And another topic we have is how you can create money making blog. Do you have an area of expertise? Share your advice on a blog. If travel is your area of expertise, think about what you can have to offer. Are you an expert in luxury travel or budget travel? You can share advice about certain activities like hiking or shopping. The more specific you get, the easier it will be to attract an large audience and to earn money with your site. Advises international living. The sites Squarespace and Wix have tips on how you can create blogs and can also host them. Tap into the ebook business is another topic. Is The ebook business is a great way to earn money. You can create your own Kindle. Has a guide for how to do it, or find a book that's already been published in printing and license to it to publish online. You can pay the author about 8 to 15% royalties based on net sales, or a one-time payment for the online publishing rights. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.